Customer questions and pharmacist answers. Do you have medicine for a headache?
Yes, we have painkillers for headache.
Can I get something for a cold?
Sure, here are cold tablets.
Do you sell cough syrup?
Yes, we do.
Is this medicine without a prescription?
Yes, it is.
Do I need a prescription for this?
Yes, you need one.
How much is this medicine?
It is $5.
Can you give me something for stomach pain?
Yes, we have tablets for that.
Do you have vitamins?
Yes, over there.
Where can I find the bandages?
They are in aisle 3.
Asking about use. Can I buy insulin here?
Yes, but you need a prescription.
How do I take this medicine?
Take one tablet twice a day.
Do I take it with food?
Yes, take it after food.
Can I take this on an empty stomach?
No, please eat first.
How many times a day?
3 times a day.
Can children take this?
No, this is for adults.
Is this safe for pregnant women?
Please ask your doctor first.
Can I drink alcohol with this medicine?
No, please don't.
Can I take this with other medicine?
Better ask your doctor.
How long should I take this?
For 5 days.
Should I stop if I feel better?
No, finish the course.
Common needs. Do you have cream for skin rash?
Yes, we do.
Can I get eye drops?
Yes, here they are.
Do you sell face masks?
Yes, we have many.
Where is the hand sanitizer?
It's on the front shelf.
Can I get something for sore throat?
Yes, here are throat lozenges.
Do you sell baby medicine?
Yes, in that section.
Can I buy a thermometer here?
Yes, we sell thermometers.
Do you have blood pressure machines?
Yes, we have them.
Can I get allergy medicine?
Yes, here it is.
Do you sell soap for sensitive skin?
Yes, this one is gentle.
Payment and help. Can I pay with card?
Yes, you can.
Do you accept cash?
Yes, we accept cash.
Can I return this medicine?
Sorry, no returns.
Do you deliver medicine?
Yes, we have delivery.
Is this covered by insurance?
Yes, it is.
Can I get a receipt?
Yes, here it is.
Do you have a discount on this?
Yes, 10% off.
Can you explain again, please?
Of course, no problem.
Can you write it down for me?
Yes, I'll write it.
Do you speak slowly, please?
Yes, I will.
Emergencies and safety. What if I forget a dose?
Take it as soon as you remember.
What if I take too much?
Go to the doctor quickly.
Does this medicine have side effects?
Yes, sometimes it does.
What should I do if I feel bad?
Stop and call your doctor.
Can I drive after taking this?
No, it may make you sleepy.
Is this medicine strong?
Yes, it is strong.
Can I give this to my friend?
No, don't share medicine.
Can I take this with milk?
Yes, that's okay.
Will this make me sleepy?
Yes, it may.
Do you have 24-hour service?
Yes, we are open all day. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Your support helps us make more amazing videos for you. Stay tuned for the next one.